open up over here. Harryhausen's.
If you're in the market for a new car, be sure to stop by Monster Motors and see the all-new
Shocky.
All models offer triple torque transmission, energy-efficient air conditioning, and anti-lock nest brakes. So when you're ready to make your next car purchase, make sure it's Behemoth. Hands, arms, feet, legs, tentacles, and tails inside the taxi. And be sure to supervise your Sulley. Thank you.
Atención visitantes, para su propia seguridad durante el paseo, mantengan las manos, brazos, pies, piernas y colas dentro del taxi y miren a sus hijos.
Each have your own row of one in row 1, one in row 2, and one in row 3. And make sure to take off the backpack.
Come on. You can put us on in.
Well, I got my not straight.
Hello. If you are new to the area, the Monstropolis Chamber of Commerce would like to welcome you. While you're in town, be sure
We interrupt this program for a special report. A child is on the loose in Monstropolis. A human child!
If witnesses are to be believed, there has been a child security breach for the first time in monster history.
We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight.
I tried to run from it, but it picked me up with its mind powers and shook me like a doll.
It's true! I saw the whole thing!
Happy birthday, Schmoozy Mo!
Oh, googly bear!
This human child froze me with its telepathic control. It made me dance like a chicken.
Oh, we gotta get you home.
There's a kid here! A human kid! Some monster in the sky saved me!
Michael Wazowski, and on my birthday, I thought you cared about me.
Come on, this way.
We are at the scene, number 1. Take out units in position. Spread out and lock it down.
There's nothing down here.
I'll be on the lookout for this child. We have a 2319 in Parker. Take out units, charge ready. Spread out and lock it down.
It worked nice! Nothing exciting ever happens!
Hurry up, Sulley, hurry up! I've got clothes more set up on the scare floor.
Race you to the scare floor.
Hurry up, Sulley, hurry up! I've got clothes more set up on the scare floor.
I'll never find her door now.
There's your door.
We're almost there, kiddo.
Not so fast, Sullivan. They'll never get her home now.
There's your door.
We're almost there, kiddo.
Oh, no. Slam it.
Not so fast, Sullivan.
It's been the most terrifying day of my life. I love you, kiddo.
Good night, Mom. Kitty's gotta go now. Sleep tight.
nothing to see here. You've all been decontaminated, so you're good to go.